Project name, Marshmallow Rotating Roaster, Shane Shellenbarger. After reviewing Mark Rober's information and video, I began the brainstorming process and I came up with 3 food problems I wish to solve. 1. How could I remove excess moisture from cottage cheese? 2. How can I slice bagels without flattening them? 3. How can I roast marshmallows without burning them or dropping them into the campfire? After doing some research, I came across many bagel slicing solutions. There were a variety of methods, and some worked better than others. The methods for drying cottage cheese were primarily chemical and very little mechanical, so I felt that it would be inappropriate for this project. However, the solution for the roasting marshmallows seemed to fit the brief, so I proceeded with that project. The goal was to roast marshmallows without burning them and prevent them from falling into the campfire. Initially, I determined that I could prevent marshmallows from falling into a campfire by strapping a large spoon to a metal sleeve, passing the sleeve shaft through a campfire roasting fork through the metal sleeve, and attaching a motor to the shaft at the far end of the fork. After gathering the materials, I began to discover that there were some issues with this design. Strapped to the spoon, the bowl of the spoon would interfere with the marshmallow's rotation. It's too close. So I felt that was a problem. Using a motor and batteries might be a problem when you're in the woods. If you don't have a battery, or if the battery is low on power, you would have a bit of a problem. So a combination of solutions solved both issues. A combination of solutions solved both problems. I formed a hoop at one end of a 2-foot section of baling wire, made a small bowl out of aluminum foil, and formed the bowl around the hoop, and substituted that for the spoon. Then I took the remaining part of the baling wire, wrapped it around the shaft of the fork back towards the wooden handle. This allowed me to have a support for the hoop and bowl, and it also allowed me to rotate the shaft of the fork while holding onto the wire so that the hoop wouldn't move. This would prevent the marshmallows, should they fall into the hoop, from then falling into the fire. I could rotate the marshmallows because I can bend the wire and have the hoop underneath the fork tines, and that without the motor, just using it manually, I prevented any problem in that area. So I felt like I've solved my problem.